Want to sound like a marketing professional? Today, I'll give you 100 essential words to master the industry in minutes. Let's start. Brand. Brand. Our brand is very famous. Digital. Digital. Digital marketing is very effective. Campaign. Campaign. We started a summer campaign. Audience. Audience. Know your target audience well. Strategy. Strategy. A good strategy brings success. Profit. Profit. The company made a profit. Market. Market. The market is growing fast. Growth. Growth. We expect high growth today. Viral. Viral. The video went viral quickly. Logo. Logo. The logo has bright colors. Banner. Banner. The banner is very big. Email. Email. Send an email to clients. Social. Social. Be active on social platforms. Trend. Trend. Follow the latest fashion trend. Image. Image. The image looks very professional. Value. Value. We offer great value here. Price. Price. The price is very low. Quality. Quality. Quality is our main goal. Global. Global. We sell to global markets. Loyalty. Loyalty. Customer loyalty is very important. Enjoying these marketing terms? Please like this video, comment your favorite word, and subscribe for more lessons. Niche. Niche. Find your own small niche. Lead. Lead. A lead is a potential buyer. Reach. Reach. Our reach is growing daily. Budget. Budget. Stick to your marketing budget. Goal. Goal. Set a clear business goal. Click. Click. Click the link below now. Traffic. Traffic. Website traffic is very high. Search. Search. People use search engines often. Video. Video. Watch our new promo video. Blog. Blog. Write a blog post weekly. Post. Post. Share this post with friends. Share. Share. Please share this useful info. Like. Like. Many people like our page. Tag. Tag. Tag a friend in comments. Link. Link. The link is in bio. Review. Review. Read the latest product review. Survey. Survey. Complete the short customer survey. Feedback. Feedback. Your feedback helps us improve. Customer. Customer. The customer is always right. Client. Client. Meet the new client today. Service. Service. Our service is very fast. Support. Support. Contact support for any help. Launch. Launch. We launch the product tomorrow. Event. Event. Join our online marketing event. Offer. Offer. This is a limited offer. Focus on one specific problem your product solves for the user. Don't try to explain everything at once. Coupon. Coupon. Use this coupon for discounts. Discount. Discount. Get a big discount today. Sale. Sale. The summer sale starts now. Store. Store. Visit our online store here. Online. Online. Shop online for better prices. Mobile. Mobile. Most users use mobile phones. App. App. Download our new mobile app. Website. Website. Our website is easy to use. Domain. Domain. Choose a short domain name. Host. Host. Find a reliable web host. Cloud. Cloud. Save your data in cloud. Data. Data. Analyze the data very carefully. Metric. Metric. Track every important business metric. Rate. Rate. The conversion rate is high. Scale. Scale. It is time to scale. Focus. Focus. Focus on your best product. Plan. Plan. Make a simple marketing plan. Idea. Idea. That is a great idea. Creative. Creative. Be creative with your ads. Style. Style. Your style should be unique. Consistency is key. Keep your colors and fonts the same everywhere so people recognize your brand instantly. Color. Color. Choose a bright brand color. Font. Font. The font is easy to read. Layout. Layout. The layout looks very clean. Icon. Icon. Click the small bell icon. Photo. Photo. Take a high-quality photo. Audio. Audio. The audio quality is great. Radio. Radio. Ads on radio still work. TV. TV. TV commercials are very expensive. Print. Print. Print ads reach local people. News. News. Read the latest industry news. Press. Press. Send a press release now. Public. Public. Public opinion is very strong. Relation. Relation. Build a good public relation. Trust. Trust. Trust is hard to win. Safety. Safety. Customer safety is our priority. Policy. Policy. Read our new privacy policy. Rule. Rule. Follow the advertising rules strictly. Legal. Legal. Check the legal requirements first. Copyright. Copyright. Respect the creator's copyright law. Trade. Trade. International trade is growing fast. Export. Export. We export goods to Europe. Import. Import. They import parts from Asia. Supply. Supply. The supply meets the demand. 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 Product demand is very high. Impact. Impact. Marketing has a big impact. Always look at your competitors. You don't need to copy them, but you should know what they are doing differently. Story. Story. Tell a compelling brand story. Voice. Voice. Find your unique brand voice. Tone. Tone. Keep a friendly, professional tone. Mood. Mood. The ad creates a happy mood. Feel. Feel. Make the customers feel special. Vision. Vision. Our vision is very clear. Mission. Mission. Our mission is to help. Core. Core. Focus on your core values. Power. Power. Knowledge is power in business. Result. Result. See the result after 1 month. Now you have the tools to grow your brand. Subscribe for more lessons and share your favorite word in the comments below. See you next time.